Okay, this is Steve with Apex Home Inspections, and today is Tuesday, March 28th, 2017, and we are at 404 Southeast 85th Avenue in Portland, and we're here today to do an inspection of the sewer line. As you can see, we're outside the home. We're actually on top of the roof. And the reason we're up here is because I could not find a sewer line access point on the ground, so we're going to go ahead and go through this sewer vent on the roof. It's just as good for us. So let's go ahead and drop our camera in there and see if we can't get things pointed in the right direction. There we are. Now before we go too far, we're going to zero off our counter in the upper right hand corner of our screen. We'll go ahead and begin our push all the way out to the city main. At least that's our goal for the morning. A couple of quick notes about today's inspection. This home was built in 1949, and we are in an older neighborhood of Portland, so we may end up seeing some older sewer line material, even older than this cast iron, when we get a little bit further out, but we won't know until we get there. As you can see on the left-hand side of the screen, that's the floor of the pipe. I have some water running, and the reason we run the water is so that we can see the slope of the pipe. By the way, this opening in the top of the pipe there, which is on the right-hand side of the screen, is probably our clean-out out in the front of the home. But since we're already in this direction, we'll go ahead and continue. Yeah, here at about 27 feet, we do see a slight offset. That means the pipe that we are going into is actually not aligned with the pipe that we're coming out of, and that's at about 28 feet. Now in this case, this offset isn't causing any trouble. You can see the water is sort of falling over the edge here. If the offset was the other direction, meaning if the water had to climb over the offset, then I think we'd be talking about doing a repair of some kind. Now, at that offset, you can see we've transitioned to a different material. This to me looks like black plastic, possibly ABS, more than likely ABS, which is a modern plastic used today to build new homes. Now the black plastic in these longer sections like this tends to tell me that it's more than likely a product called HDPE. They both basically behave in the same way. And then here at about 62 feet, we are transitioning to, this looks like cast iron again. So that tells me there was some kind of a repair done in the yard at some point. There may be some permit history on that. Some minor wear on the side of the pipe. That is right at the connection to the city main here at about 74 feet. About 74 feet. So when we perform these inspections, we run them from the home all the way to the city main, which is what we're looking at, which means this is the end of our visual inspection. We did see a minor offset at 28 feet. Again, I don't think this requires any sort of repair. It's just something to note in the report. And we did see a little bit of wear where the line connects up to the city main. Overall, though, I think the line's in good shape. I'm not going to recommend any further action. I'm going to go ahead and close out this video for now. Thank you very much.